Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. It's Thursday again, guys. You want to see how we tied her turban mixing ankara with raw silk? Here it is for you guys. So if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. And yeah, if you're watching us here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. And yeah, let's jump right into the video. So the first of all what I did was, her tie is very small. I just folded it into a triangular shape, placed it from the back of her head, and then pleated one side and asked her to hold that, and then pleated the other side, making sure I get a V on her forehead area. Then I tied the two at the back. I just secured that as a knot at the back of her head and then tucked everything in. This is the base of the hair tie, guys. This is the base. So we are going to move on to using the raw silk material. This is the Dupion raw silk material. I sell this at the studio. If you guys are interested, you can come get that. Yeah, it's available. So I'm going to be placing it from behind. It's going to be a 70-30 part turban. So yeah, I'm going to be folding the 70 part first, bringing it up. This is the longest part of the veil. I'm going to be pleating that too. Not necessarily a V. If you want it as a V, you can do that. If you want it as a round something, you can also do that. So sorry guys, I started with the I started with the longer part of the turban, pleated that, and then after pleating like 3, 4, 5 I think pleats, 5 pleats. Oh, it was more than 5, sir. It's more than 5. Sorry about that, guys. So I'm going to be pleating that gently and then flip the other one too, like the shorter part of the turban. I'll be flipping that up. If you like, you can make it look like a V. If you like, you just go ahead and just pleat it round. This is not just the reason why I'm doing this like this. I just don't want to get too much excess turban. You have to be careful when you're securing your pin. And then I just tucked in the back, making sure the back of the hair tie looks neat. And then I'm just going to roll this, and then boom, you have your cute, super cute Yawo wedding guest makeup tutorial. Like a very cute turban, a very cute hair tie, and everything looks mwah. Hope you guys are enjoying this turban. If you do, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. This is Hadidi Makeovers. Once again, I love you guys so much. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my videos to the end, support the movement, guys. I love you guys. I'll be seeing you guys next week. Bye.